Hello, today in this video I will show you how to fetch value from database in Dropdown using PHP. First, this is a web view and go to the code. First, connect the database. Include config.php and write SQL query. Select star form. My table name is test API. Now query run. My SQLi query first connect database run and copy this SQL. And now go to drop down position and run a while loop. PHP while $row equal to MySQL fetch array MySQLi fetch array. Here pass this query run. And last one bracket in. Now here we echo the value. PHP echo $row here we pass the name. First we see the link 1, link 2 and link 3. My database and name devjit, jit, ram and sam. Save the file and refresh the page. Drop down, see devjit, jit, ram and sam. Okay, and insert one value demo. Sorry, what is this? Go refresh. See demo is add here. This way you can fetch value from database in Dropdown using PHP. Thank you.